diamond or water? This intriguing question was posed by my PhD supervisor in our first meeting. Naturally, I choose diamond. However, he then challenged me by saying, okay, consider this question in a vast desert, and when the water becomes priceless. So I shifted my answer to water. Then he enlightened me again by saying, okay, consider this desert in Egypt, meaning there is a nearby fresh water source called the Nile River. So I shifted my choice again to diamond. Folks with an economic background, they will relate to this paradox. At that point, my supervisor asked me, okay, did you get the underlying message? Confidently, I said no. I'm giving him a hard time when he always tried to send hidden messages to me. So he had to clearly mention that despite the many benefits of deconstruction, demolition still the prevailing end-of-life scenario. Because when we know the potential benefits, or we know the destiny of the deconstructed items, we deconstruct. Because if you looked at the bottom right figure, you can see the deconstruction project of Abu Simbel Temple in Egypt in the 1960s. And here is where my research comes in. I'm trying to reveal the destiny of the deconstructed items by showing the market value of these items after deconstruction. To do so, firstly, we need to identify the most influential parameters and factors on the deconstruction processes and the market value of the second-hand items. The second step is to identify and obtain the associated cost with different deconstruction scenarios. The third one is to identify the potential benefit of the deconstructed items in the second life. So the following methods are used. First, we implemented data mining in order to analyze and investigate the current practices of deconstruction nationally and internationally. Second, we implemented 5D BIM in order to simulate the different deconstruction methods and different disassembly sequence in the as-is condition of the facility. Third, we implemented decision-making analysis using utility theory. By integrating all of these components in a user-friendly system, we are going to reduce the uncertainties and support the decision makers and stakeholders for better decision. Thank you. This was Allam from Concordia University. Thank you.